Myntri ka TNAD bording jaga jylla James K Sangma ola pynbna baga sorkar jylla klarai ban PYLLUT khambun ka PISA ka TNAD MeECL khnang ban pyllait iakren ka jingshahram Haba iakren mikla pathai khubor James sulong baga ni ka jingshahram jaga TNAD MeECL kla iaid mynta la bon snem kumta Donkam ban khubor ban ialeh ban iada na kane Donkam ban PYLLUT na ka BYNTA ban pynbha ka rukom treikam khnang ban la ban pynmih khambun ka bording ban kinti ka jingyo jingkot jong ka jylla.
The outstanding liabilities of the corporation are something that will keep compounding over the years. So there has to be a point wherein we take a stand and we say that we need to stem this sort of flow, and that is why it's not been an easy decision, but we have nonetheless decided on this matter, and we have decided that there has to be infusion of capital into the MeECL in terms of improving the system, and only by improving the system that we will be able to cut down on the losses. These are technical and commercial losses, and when we invest in such kind of technology in improving the distribution network, transmission network, and also increasing our generating capacity, that we will be able to finally resolve the issues of the less amount of revenue that we get.
Hakabay day baga jingbam yo tulop kinong treikam ka TNAD James sulong baga sorkar kala khia bha halor kane.
The salaries are a very big concern for us. I'm very confident that MeECL is sincerely looking into this aspect, and this is again, salaries is an issue which it's not just that today we are facing problems of salaries. Salaries are a problem which have lingered on for many long years. And many times we've seen that MeECL employees have faced this crisis, that their salaries are delayed sometimes, but eventually MeECL does come out of it, and it's a concerted effort. It's an effort wherein I believe that the MeECL has always worked as a family. They've always stuck with them, with each other, and supported each other, and that's how things have moved all these years.